Well, good morning to my YouTube family. How are you this lovely Saturday morning? I hope everybody is enjoying their morning. I know I've had my 1 cup of coffee, which I truly enjoy on a Saturday morning. And so let's talk. I want to first and foremost welcome you always to the Dynamic Expressions channel. Every Wednesday, every Saturday, I do new episodes that will give you new strategies, tips, and resources that can truly help you to enhance your energy, your motivation, if you're tired all the time, and if you just feel like no matter what you do, you feel like you're in a vicious cycle, then I really believe this channel can help you if you do apply these tips, strategies, and resources to your life. I think you can really see a change. And, I believe that these things can help you possibly because I was there. My health, my energy levels were compromised, and I just felt like seriously I was in a vicious cycle for a long time. And it really took me to make some changes in my life. And I just feel that, if it helped me, it might help you too. So, all right, let's talk about today's episode. Household tips and tricks to save time and money. So, household chores and expenses are not fun. I'm sure all of you could agree with me on that. However, they do add up a lot of time and money over the years. So, with a little bit of work, it is possible to save a lot of time and money in your household. So, have we ever heard ourselves say, or you've always maybe heard someone else say that we never seem to have as much time or money as we would like? Well, every little bit's going to help. So I really think that these strategies that I'm going to share with you today can really help you to save time and money in your household. So number one is buy items in off season. Okay, so buy next season's bathing suit at the end of summer. Buy a gas grill in the fall. Buy a motorcycle in the winter. Wait for the big sales and take full advantage of them. And there is always a season for many items to be on sale. And then let's face it, at the end of the year, we're always having those Black Friday sales and huge sales really going into now November, December, and even into January for many of these items. Number two, use a timer. A simple digital timer is one of the most important devices I think that you can have. So when you own one, you're going to save time. So here's an example. If you think that it takes you 15 minutes to vacuum your room, set your timer and give yourself 10 minutes. You're going to notice the focus that you have on that specific task. Everything is going to get done a little quicker, and it's all really with the use of that timer. All right, number three, clean your barbecue grill in the oven. Okay, so instead of scrubbing your outdoor grill with a wire brush and harsh chemicals, think about this. Take your cooking surfaces and put them in your oven at 500 degrees. Everything is going to cook off, and it's not going to really take a good amount of time. It's simple, and it's going to save you a lot of time. Think about all the chemicals on your hands. If you have, children and pets, really it's just going to be a healthier environment in your household as well, as much as saving you the time and the money in that strategy. All right, number four is buy a Sunday paper. So, think about all the news that we listen to on a daily basis. It really does not change, okay? The news is available online for free. And to think about it, newspapers are almost obsolete, really. However, you've got your Sunday paper that is loaded with coupons and sales notices. So the Sunday paper can actually pay for itself many times over. But food for thought, you need to be that special person that when you cut the coupons out, you actually do take them to the store, because then you're just wasting your time. And I know there's people out there. I can honestly say I think I was one of those people that I did spend that time cutting them, and then I would seem to forget those specific coupons. But there's a lot of people out there that really do save a ton of money by doing that. All right, number 5 is visit your local dollar store. These simple items like paper towels, soaps, tapes, pencils, cleaning supplies, pens, these local dollar stores are hard to beat. So I know that they have gel pens. You can buy 2 for $1 that last a really long time. They're good just as the name brand, and that's just an example. You can buy 2 gel pens for $1, where at another bigger store you're going to pay more like $4 to $6 for those gel pens. So you know what? It's going to save you time, really, and money by going to that dollar store. Number 6 is grow your own herbs. So herbs are expensive, and the truth is many things are expensive at the grocery store these days, but dried herbs never seem to taste as good as the fresh. And herbs are also one of those things you only notice really when you have a recipe that you're working on. And guess what that means? That means it is a result of you going to the grocery store for that one single item. So most herbs are really inexpensive to grow. They're delicious. It will really authenticate your recipe. What a great way to cook for yourself and for your family, and putting those really fresh nutrients into your body. All right, number 7 is use energy efficient light bulbs. So this type of bulb is truly becoming less expensive really over time. However, they still are not cheap. So I want you to think about that. You are going to spend a little bit more money, but the cost is small compared to the longevity of the energy efficient light bulbs versus the regular bulbs that we've had around for years. It's going to help you to save time and money in your home, on your bills as well. And number 8, which is also very dear to my heart, is buy your own coffee supplies. So think about this: Starbucks and similar stores that are very expensive for what you get. So you're going to go to Starbucks, you're going to have a little espresso with 2 cups of milk that's worth what, $5, $6, $7, sometimes maybe a little less depending on the size that you get. But guess what? Your investment of your time and money is huge. So I can tell you that because years ago I was spending on an average $250 a month on Starbucks items. I would get my coffee in the morning, and guess what? I would wait 20 minutes sometimes for a cup of coffee. At lunch I would go and get my mocha frappuccino, and then at night I would get another small cup of coffee on my way home from work. So that's a huge investment on time and money that I saved just by buying my own coffee supplies in my household. So, huge way to save your time and money, no doubt about it. So, your household is costing you more time and money than it should, most likely. So with a few tweaks, you can save both time and money. And guess what? You're going to be able to enjoy your time and money elsewhere on something that's truly more enjoyable about that you love and you love doing with your family. So take some time to really journal what your expenses are every day, from the moment you wake up until you go to bed in the evening. Also, not only do that with your money, but do that with your time. And you know what? You're going to be in amazement on what you really see about yourself and how you're spending your time and your money. You're going to be amazed, and it's going to really help you to understand, where you need to cut back on both your time and your money. I mean, the truth is we can always all use more time and money. So these are my strategies this morning. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Share the video always with your loved ones, friends, and subscribe. Again, as many of you know, we have our videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So again, I want to thank you for tuning in this morning. Have a great remainder of your weekend, and we will see each and every one of you on Wednesday. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you. Bye.